Hey guys, I just came in from outside, that's why I don't have a shirt on, but I grabbed the mail, got some Lucky 13 tattoo balm in the mail today. Came with a little 13 sticker that'll be going somewhere, because you know I love stickers. Wear your art. ProtectDrink.com. And then a fake tattoo. I don't think any of us need that, but that's cool that you put it in there. It's all natural, all oils and stuff like that, stuff that would be, stuff that you use in your beard as well. It's supposed to be used on new tattoos. I don't have any. I took it out just like you do. Took a little thumb scrape right there, just like I do with my beard oil. And I wiped a little bit on my hand. It brightened me up. Pretty good, but I'm gonna try it on a new tattoo soon. I'm still cracking up about the tattoo. Check them out. I'll put a link in my bio. I have a discount code for 25% off is rev.boots, rev.boots. So use that, get 25% off. Check out their other products. Also, click subscribe on my YouTube page. Come on, people, let's do it. All right, have a great day.